It's Ileana.
And Kira.
And today,
we're going to be doing this, I think it's called Riff Off Challenge or something like that, where we don't edit at all and we just go straight the whole time. But while we're doing it, Ileana's going to be doing makeup on me. So, let's get started, shall we?
All right.
Okay. Well, I'm not sure how to set this up because we didn't prepare it.
Nope.
Okay. And I can't look till it's the very end.
Sorry for these bad angles, because I never do makeup, so Kira's going to tell me what to do first.
I'm okay. Oh no, that felt like a lot.
It's not. Don't look though. Okay, what do you do next?
Just put it around my nose. Gosh, girl.
I'm not doing that much. Ew. You're nasty. We would edit that out in a real video. Okay.
That wasn't a burp. That actually wasn't a burp.
Was it a fart? Okay, Kira, go on. I can still see your residue makeup.
Residue?
Residue. Stop.
Oh, it's really scary.
Okay, what
You might want to get my booty blender.
Kira.
I've never called it that before.
Sure you haven't. I bet you always do. I guess we're using the bottom.
I felt that.
You're not supposed to look until the end.
I don't worry, I didn't see anything except for everything. Just do it! Ow!
Alright, so talk about your life.
What up, dog?
Okay, you got some on your lip.
Oh, I figured.
I think you just licked your lip. That was kind of a lot, but whatever.
Ow! We would be doing zoom ins and stuff like that, but we can't.
Should we do a better angle? I feel like we should. Perfect. Keep your hand like that. No, look my way.
Sorry if it's shaky. Ah!
I can't get it.
Maybe this won't be the. We'll just do the Ileana does my makeup. Doesn't have to be
Ruff ruff?
rough rough.
No, it's gonna be. Well, it's too late now.
You're so grouchy. No, it's gonna be this.
You said it on camera, so and how are we gonna do it? Do I have to restart or something?
No, just keep going. You know what? Forget that idea. We'll have that part in the video.
Well, yeah, we can't get it out.
And we're also doing this on the YouTube app, so there's no going back.
All right.
Ah, my eye. I didn't know my eye.
Okay, Kira,
I can't hold it. Okay.
Kira, you're disgusting. Okay, maybe we should just put it.
Oh, yeah, I'll hold it like. Look into the mirror. Also, we're filming with our phone this time because might as well because it's not. You just see. Just keep going. This is a lot compared to. A lot compared to. Good.
Hello world, today I'm gonna be doing Kira's makeup. All right.
Keep going, come on, Speedy Gonzalez, Speedy Gonzalez. Oh yeah, Speedy, Speedy, Speedy.
We're gonna pretend that we edit this on the fast motion. Kira. I'll go slower.
And it came out on the beauty blender. You started tapping it all on my face. Just keep on going.
Okay. Did you do it again?
No, I can still feel it.
Okay, whatever. Akira, don't look at your face.
Sorry.
So, say anything that
I had a
going on.
butt chin for a second.
I have a butt chin every day.
He can't even see you. Okay, just get to
I can't do it.
do it.
I feel like this video is gonna be boring, so we have to like talk.
Well, that's gonna be in the video now.
Yeah.
So, holla everybody. I hope your days were really. Ow! Poke my eyeball.
Close them then.
Okay.
Not that high.
Okay. Not that high.
Tight.
Not that high.
Lightly.
Lightly.
Don't do that. Just stop.
Lightly.
Kira. You're so annoying.
Lightly. Are you done yet? That's a lot of blending for one person.
I know, but I just can't blend very good. Oh, I forgot to do your nose. Kira! Does it look like a lot?
Not too bad.
Okay.
I can't even see it. I don't have my glove up.
Kira. You made me mess up on the line. Look at the line.
Oh
Or
gosh.
maybe I just messed up
Hey,
on
look,
it.
you can also see my dirty laundry.
You should have planned before we did this.
Maybe a little bit.
Because, to be honest, I didn't know what we were doing until Kira said the intro.
Yeah.
I just played along.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. just go.
Alright.
Crusty.
So now, what are we gonna do? Setting spray. I'm pretty sure you do that at the end anyway.
That's perfume, by the way.
Yeah, we don't do that.
We
stuff.
could edit it in perfume BTW, but we can't. I don't know why I'm still talking. Sorry.
Okay, what do we do now?
I can't tell you anymore.
I can't tell you anymore.
Well, guess what?
Fine, I'll just do your bronzer.
My bronzer.
Wait, what is this anyway?
Setting powder.
I didn't know that.
Ileana Christianine.
Is that what it's supposed to happen?
Yes!
Oh, okay. I thought I was just breaking it.
You are breaking everything.
Okay.
Oh, my arm's getting tired. Switch!
Now we're fixing all the dirty laundry again.
Didn't even notice it. Okay, we'll switch back after a while.
Switch back.
Just, you don't...
Okay. Let's just pretend it's bronzer. I'm kidding, I'm putting it everywhere. I don't know where to put it. It doesn't tickle or something. Am I doing it wrong? Just say yes or no.
No, look. It's just the fact that I go like this, and you're going...
Okay, fine, I'll do it better.
Okay.
You. Okay.
Okay, switch again. Switch already.
Like it's on your lips.
Is it still on my lip? By the way, we're not makeup experts.
I'm
Not
pretty
at
sure
all.
they could tell the moment we started.
Oh, I'm dropping the camera.
Okay, I'm pretty sure that's fine. No, I know it's not. It smells good, actually.
Thank you.
Highlights now.
Girl, you keep ruining my
I
things.
didn't ruin it. Just
I keep having to adjust my arm. I'm sorry.
what's underneath?
Okay, but Ileana, only use from those 3 dots.
Okay.
You see that are a little worn out? Okay, or you can use that dot.
What were you talking about? You
I'm
said these
kidding.
3 dots, right?
Yeah. I was kidding.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do what I know for Kira. I saw that.
Wait, let me adjust so they get a really good view.
By the way, do you like all the weird sounds I'm making?
Not at all.
Okay, I'm gonna do what you did to me.
This would be a good video to watch. I don't know if you're doing your makeup or if you're bored and you want to hear backup music, background sounds or whatever.
Yeah.
If you want to be entertained, do not watch this video.
If you're just watching this on your free.
wonder what YouTube's for. Ah!
Kira, don't.
we should make a separate video. It should be the edited version of this. So first it'll be this one. And then the actual, ow, you're pushing really hard. Actual entertaining version that you can watch if you're actually wanting to be entertained.
Well, I don't think that's gonna happen.
You're pushing really hard on my eyeball.
Okay, sorry. Is this better?
Did you put on my eyebrow?
No. You're going like this. So how am I supposed to see? Okay. Oh, dusty. Good enough. I felt something on my nose, so. I'm kidding, I'll do it better.
We don't really have a plan here, so.
Okay, now on my eyebrow. I felt something that you did on my eyebrow. Never mind. Good thing.
I like how crooked I am. Sorry, guys.
Alright. T-bone. That's not what it is, but the little thing on Bob.
Cupid's bow.
Yeah, whatever.
I see dust flying.
I just realized this is on my lips and now it's on hers.
That's okay.
Yeah, we're similar. Get out.
We're similar.
You know what? I'm gonna do it.
That's enough on the Cupid's bow.
Okay, I think I know what I'm
That's
gonna
actually
do.
what it's called.
That's actually what it's called.
Leave me alone.
Mom.
Stop judging me.
Okay, is it okay if I use this on it?
No.
Why not?
She goes, can I use this on? It goes back and forth and You can't see that. Why did you do that?
I didn't mean to. Here.
You
Okay, it's gone. Because you have to do this one.
What are you doing?
You'll see. Don't look.
No. What the heck?
Kira, it's what all the trends do these days. It's highlighter, right? Is it highlighter?
Oh
All right, look this way.
no. Okay.
Ooh, shimmerima. Okay.
You're like going whoop, whoop, whoop.
No, I'm not. I'm not doing that.
You can't even see it.
It's because we're not in daylight, Kira.
Yeah, that's daylight.
Okay, well, we're not
Daylight
outside.
saving.
You gotta get some shimmer of that here. Okay, I'm gonna start with this.
Alright, well, we hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a big thumbs up if you adore my look. Oh, what is... Oh, that's my hair. That's a hair.
Oh, forgot the setting spray.
No, not on my face. Not perfume. Okay.
Oh, I sprayed your hand. Your hand was in the way. See, that's what she did to me, and now she's not letting me do it.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down
Down
below if
below.
you liked it. And we will do an edited version of this because this is pretty funny.
Yeah, we just want to compare the difference of not edited and edited. And if you guys want us to do another one of these, riff raff. these non-edited thing videos. Just comment down below and tell us on what you want them to be. Like making PBJ sandwiches.
That'd be fun. And subscribe. Bye. Dang it. Turn up.